Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for Thursday, April the 3rd, 2017. Well, as you know, tomorrow is Take Back Friday. All we've pretty much seen is just, again, continued volatility. For instance, the NASDAQ 100, it's been back to trading 1 to 200 point ranges on a daily basis, just like we did back in 1999 before the bubble bursted. So, what are we seeing now? Basically, bulls and bears are battling it out, waiting to see what's going to happen. Right now, what I would say is the markets have already shown us a topping out pattern, and we're just waiting for the floor to fall out from underneath the market at this point. That's pretty much where we are right now. On the weekly chart, you can see that. All right, momentum starting to turn down a little bit. Overall, longer term, it's flat, but it's pretty much bearish at this point, even though the overall complexion of the market is struggling to maintain its bullish complexion. We have selling on this market. The market has failed to get back anywhere near the highs. All right, so we are suspecting that this market will roll over any day now. Taking a look at the Dow, again, same thing. Market failed to get back at the highs. We're at a downtrend channel, and the Dow is waiting for the other markets to catch up, namely the NASDAQ. Once the NASDAQ catches up, the movement down should be fast and furious. So you got to hold on to your seatbelts on that one. Taking a look here at gold. All right, gold tried to pare some of its losses today, but still the downtrend channel is here, and I think that the momentum swing is still to the downside. Taking a look at silver here. Silver came back a little bit stronger than the gold did, but I think all we're doing is building for the next swing down in momentum. This is what it's looking like, folks. It's looking like there's a massive sell-off operating here behind the scenes, and I just want to point that out. Also, every time people try to talk crazy about the markets, it always seems to punch them in the face. A few weeks ago, we had the pundits coming out talking about the death of the dollar and the death of the petrodollar and the yuan taking over and all this yada yada yada, and it just made the dollar even more powerful. All right, this is what's happening, folks. Just like I told you, the market is playing out just the way I told you that it would. Switching over here to the Bitcoin futures. All right, same scenario is playing out. All right, you had a correction off the lows here, came down, tested this. Now it's bouncing up again. I don't think the move is done yet. I think it's going to really try to get up to around 10,000 before settling and then coming back down again. So you got to trade what you see here in the Bitcoin. All right. For the most part, that's it. We're just going to wait and see what happens. All right. I think the markets are moving into position, and tomorrow's closes are going to be very, very important. So all I can say is, use your stop losses and let the pulse waves keep rocking. Pulse waves have been rocking here in the Bitcoin futures. For those of you that trade Bitcoin futures, you know what I'm talking about. Same thing with the GBTC. Stock indexes too. We've been catching some really good shorts here, and with these swings and volatility, if you're not using the pulse wave system, you are losing. You're missing out. You're not able to catch this volatility. You're not able to stay in the game, and you're missing these crash and rally alerts because these intraday price inflection points just have been just butter for us. Even though the market has really gone nowhere in the past month, the trades we've been able to catch have been pretty significant. for those of you that trade the future side of things. Okay, so just wanted to put that out there. And remember, pulsewavetrading.com. Come take advantage of the pulse wave system and the rally and crash alerts. Get those uh, before everybody else does at pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.